Let me read this law to people out there so you can understand exactly what has happened and what is going on right now in our faces, and they ain't doing shit about it. This is by the Cornell Law School, Information Institute, 18 U.S. Code 2385, advocating overthrow of government. So I'm going to read this whole thing, and I want people to understand exactly what I'm reading. And look, I'm not smart. I'm not an intelligent person. I'm completely, how you said, oblivious to anything that's going on with America as far as what is right and what is wrong that I can do. Anything, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm black. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it real. Whoever knowingly or willingly advocates, abates, advises, or teaches the duties and necessities, desirability, and propriety of overthrowing or destroying the government of the United States, or the governments of any state, territory, district, or possession thereof, or the government of any political subdivision therein by force or violence, or by the assassination of any officer of any such government, or whoever with the intent to cause the overthrow or destruction of any such government, prints, publish, edits, issues, circulates, sells, distributes, or publicity, I said, I guess that's publicity, yeah, publicly, publicly displays any written or printed matter advocating, advertising, or teaching the duties, necessities, desirability, or propriety of overthrowing the government or destroying any government in any of the United States by force or violence, or attempts to do so, or whoever organizes or help or attempts to organize any society, group, or assembly of persons who teaches, advocates, or encourage the overthrow or destruction of any government by force or violence, or becomes or is member is a member of or affiliates with any such society, groups, or assembly of persons knowingly the purpose of thereof, shall be fined under the title of imprisonment not more than 20 years or both, and shall be ineligible for employment by the United States or any department of agency thereof for the 5 years next following his conviction. If two or more persons conspire to commit any offense named in this section, each shall be fined under the title of imprisonment not more than 20 years or both, and shall be ineligible for employment by the United States or any department or agency thereof for the 5 years next following his conviction. As used in this section, the terms organize with respect to any social group or assembly of persons, including recruiting or new members, the forming of new units, and the regrouping or expansion of existing curbs, classes, and other units of such society groups or assembly of persons. Read it yourself.